So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a shutoff valve and a supply line at the dryer in the laundry room here. It's a new Leo Wilson home. And they've got these nice little recess boxes here for the dryer duct and the gas piping, so it helps you to get things hooked up a little bit easier. What we'd like to do, we got the gas back on, so everything's running again. We tested the water heater, it's firing, it's a tankless, so we just want to make sure you get hot water. But what we like to do is go ahead and test this. A little gas sniffer, it tells you, green is go, yellow is slow, and then red is you got a problem, you need to address it. So we just like to test it before we go to make sure everything's good. So as you can see, all the connections here, this senses gas leaks. So we just run a little test, and you can see green, and then of course on that one green. And then over here at the equipment, green. And of course the fitting that's on there, I had a new one that came with the supply line, but the one that's installed is, it's buried on there. And honestly, if we try and disassemble that, we run the risk of damaging something inside the unit, because that's a 3/8 stub out. It's this portion back here, that's a 3/8 stub out. We don't want to damage that. They use some kind of, this feels like the old, I can't remember the name of the product, but this pipe dope right here, it sticks. It holds everything. You see it kind of break off there. And so anyways, we left that alone. So no leaking there. Everything's tied back together. Outside of that, this installation is done.